Okay, I'm back. So, like I said, continuing where we left off, what I was working on last time was trying to make a UI for creating orders when selling cards. And I kind of wanted to make the basic UI off stream and then work on actually implementing the methods just on here. So right now, if you click on my orders, you do get a window for creating an order. I mean, like I said, and this is true for every UI that I'm making, I don't know if it's gonna stay the way it is now. Probably not the best looking, but I kind of just want to make something that's functional. So the way it should work is you are able to select how many you want to sell. So in this case, I own 2 of these cards, so I should be able to select 1 or 2 and then list them. And in parentheses, it should tell me how many are already listed, and I should be able to just unlist all of them by clicking this button. And then I can just select the currency I want to sell in, as well as the price. And if you adjust either the sell or buy price, the other one should adjust automatically with that. And there's also the reduce fee thing that I want to implement. This is just for because you can technically you can add your own fees to sales, but you can actually use these to reduce the total fee that you're paying if you're adding fees that are paid out to yourself. So I want to kind of make that an option here as well, just to see if I can, just to implement that as well. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to start working on today, is just getting this, just try and get this working for as much as for at least partially. Okay, so let's see. I think the first thing we can start with is making it so that this quantity box actually works. Or we could make it so that when we select a currency, the image updates. That's probably a good place to start. So let's do that first. So first of all, by default, this should be ETH. Okay, and then there should be an event on this one whenever it's changed. Selection changed, I think. Let's just check it first. Just do this. So now the first time it's changed, it should set the image to the God's logo. It's already the God's logo. Oh, because the event triggers immediately. Also, because I'm setting the index here as well. Okay. Can I do this? See if this works. Great. So we'll do one for ETH, God, and IMX. Yeah, let's see if that works. Looks good. Okay, so now the other one should update as well. I'm not sure if I've named that already, but we'll see. Yeah. Oh, this is easier to copy actually. Oh. Two and three. Great. So this button should just close the window. You can kind of start with like the low-hanging fruit. Just do the easy things first. Where's the... Good. Okay, so what's the easiest way to get the quantity that we have available to sell? Probably we should take a look at how I'm getting the number of cards owned on the card window and just do the same thing. Except this time we also want to check whether or not they're already on sale. Okay. We should not be able to get here unless the wallet is connected. But just in case, we will make sure that it is. We'll just close the window. Actually, I'm not sure if that won't just crash the program. Let's make sure that it doesn't. Yeah, that just crashes everything actually. We'll just do return then, I guess. There we go. And then we'll just print, oh. There we go. Now I think I go to, what's it called again? Spec Juggler. This should have one on sale actually, I think. Yeah. But this one contains sell orders. Let's open a notepad. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you have one that does have a sale order attached to it. And if we open one that doesn't... actually, we can just take the previous one. Okay. Yeah, so literally the difference is there will not be an orders thing here. So we should loop through the results, see if there's an orders for each of them, and if there isn't, then the card is not listed. If there is, then it is. Which means that on the window that we're currently coding, we shouldn't be able to list it from there. Good, okay. Actually, we can just copy this entire part and just modify it. Okay. We also need to make sure that it is the same quality as the card that we're using. So here, there actually shouldn't just be an int for card ID, there should also be a quality modifier. Say, yeah, so quality meteorite. So that's just a string here. Is it also a string in the buy window? Oh, sorry, the card window. Yeah. So we have to pass a string for the quality as well to the orders window. Am I doing something wrong? What am I doing wrong? Oh. There we go. Okay, so now we should get an error somewhere where this window is created, and it is created from the card window. There we go. So first of all, the quality should equal quality. We don't need these, we just need an int for owned int num listed. Okay. How do we check if it has? I think I've done that before in a different function. But now I've kind of forgotten how it's done, how we check if it exists. I think we can just do... Oh. Token orders is new, is... Oh no, not new, of course. Card. Select token orders. It's not null, then non-listed. And at the end we do console.writeLine non-owned. Listed. Let's see if this works. 0. Yes, one owned, one listed. Now if we switch to a different wallet. 3 owned, 0 listed. Great. Okay, so now we should update the UI to reflect this data. So this txt listed go. And then this one should be changed something like this. Right, okay. Cool. One listed, okay. And we should go for to num-owned. Let's give it a name. Quantity dot what's it called? Items. Looks good. And then we should say if it's not 0, oh, like this. It's the same we do here, right? Yeah. Switch back to a wallet that actually owns some cards. Great. Okay, so the next thing should be to update the percentage or the if you type a sell price, it should update the fee and buyer price. And the other way around also, if you modify the buyer price, it should modify the sell price and the fee also. And then we can work on these buttons. So unlisting cards that are listed, getting the lowest price that is current, so that it's like, so that it appears as like the first card on the sales or on in the order book, and just the listing button itself, of course. Okay, let's see. So first of all, I think I want to make an event that triggers whenever this text changes. Text changed, yes, exactly. And for now, I'll just write this.txt currency. or sell price. Text. What I'll do is I try to turn it into like a float. Price. Now I should get an error whenever I do this when it's not possible to convert it. But I've kind of forgotten what the error is called, so just to be lazy, I'll just make it crash once and then look in the console what it's called. There we go. Format exception. Doesn't really need to do anything. Hope. Can I leave this out somehow? No, I do need the parentheses here. So now hopefully it will print whenever something is typed in here. That's actually a valid number. No, that doesn't seem to be the case though. I'm not sure why. Okay, let's see. What's going on here? Oh, that's this thing, not the text box. Okay, that makes sense. Great. Great. Let's see. So now we should update the fee. Now the fee, in our case, currently at least, is always just 9%. So this fee box, txt fees total. Okay. How do we get it to write only the first 10 digits? Let's see. C# float print first up to X digits after comma or X decimals. Oh, well, that's very easy. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Selected item. I think I should probably convert this into a string. And then 9%. Do it this way. Oh, hang on, that's not enough decimals. Yeah, that should be double, not a float. Better. And also, if it's invalid, then it should just say zeros. There we go. And then of course next, the buy price should be updated. Don't need these. Oh. Damn, I didn't even check where it went wrong. Shouldn't skip out of this so quickly. Okay, so where does it crash? Null reference. Where does it get a null reference? Line 124. Okay, so let's just check something. No, it still crashes even when I do that. Why is that? Set text of text box. What the hell? That's what I'm doing, isn't it? How is that not what I'm doing? Exactly? I'm guessing that the text box just isn't initialized. So maybe I should just do a check if this is not null. Maybe this will fix it. Seems like it could be it. And then we'll just clear it. Maybe I should actually add something below here to show the price in dollars. That could be a good idea, but I'll leave it for like this for now. That is something we can add later, I think. Like not right now. Okay, also the reduce fee button will leave out from. Actually, you know, now that it's for the time being, while they're still not implemented, I'll actually hide these. So I'll change the visibility. Oh. And this one as well, of course. There we go. Because I mean, for the time being, there's no real point in showing it if it's not doing anything. But I'm happy to see that at least the price thing works. So now it should work the other way around as well. So from buyer price back to sell price. Oh. Text changed. So this time the top one is just text price buy. The total is we'll do price sell first. And then the fee total is this. Oh. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, so this is very annoying. Okay, so this is not intended behavior. Yeah, because it updates. Shouldn't like loop back, obviously. Is there a way to see if it's selected or if the cursor is inside the window? It's within. I hope that this helps, that this works. But I don't exactly know how this property functions, so I'm not sure if this is gonna change anything or not. But I hope this will just... Okay, so now nothing happens. Oh. Okay. Okay, so that looks good. I should try and change this so that it shows up to 10 decimals, but not always 10, I think. That how it works? Seems like it. Okay, that looks better actually. Way better. Like this. Okay, I think this should be it. Now it should be able to get the lowest price. Yeah, I think I'm going to have it like actually fetch the price whenever you click the button rather than just using the one from here. Because it's actually not loaded normally. It's not, well, the price in ETH is loaded right now, but it isn't loaded in for Gods and IMX. Yeah. Or maybe what I should do is load it immediately when you open the window, but then just store it for all three. Yeah, I think that's the best way to do it probably. Yeah, so we'll fetch prices here as well. You know, actually it's past midnight already, so I am going to end it here for now. Well, that's actually what we're going to be doing next time. So for now, what we have working is just most of the window itself. So selecting quantity, well, let's pick somewhere I actually own cards. So you can select the quantity, you can select the currency and the image updates, and you can type a price and it automatically calculates the E and sale and buyer price. And I guess the cancel button also works, but that's the least impressive thing up until now, I think. Yeah. But that's going to be it for now then. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing next time. So hopefully next time we'll actually have a window that actually functions, and you'll also be able to use to actually create a new sale offer. So I hope to see you next time.